Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Take a quick look here again at Casper. This is a request from one of my community members. Greatly appreciate your support, but also your patience too. I apologize for taking so long here to get to this. There is a lot we want to cover, and we're going to just go ahead and start with some fibs here and see kind of what's going on. So generally speaking, when it comes to the daily time frame, we always want to look at a few key factors. Being above 50 on the RSI is important. We have that, which is great. Stochastic RSI is swinging upwards as well, and the MACD is starting to lose momentum to the downside. So all positive contributing factors. Definitely love seeing that. Quick little thing here too. I want to note this as well because I'm sure there's probably going to be some newer subscribers watching, of course. So thanks again so much for watching. We have a phenomenal Discord community here. If you want to just jump on over there, there's a free group there. We do also have a paid community too for our premium plus groups. I just want to congratulate our members this morning on taking near protocol 112% in roughly 2 trading days. That was an awesome trade. Once again, be very careful shorting those coins right now. Most coins right now, I would just say generally be careful. It's a buyer's market right now, and while there are some coins pulling back, you're statistically better off taking long positions than short positions, okay? So just some friendly advice there. Taking a look at the moving average here. We're back up over the 20-day SMA. Wouldn't say that we're officially there. We got 6 hours left of continuation before we really have to worry about that. In other words, what I'm getting at is when the candlestick closes today, if we're above that level, that'd be a positive contributing factor, letting us know we're back up above that tentative resistance, because the last 3 days we've been below that level, okay? So let's go ahead and draw a trend line out here as well to kind of get perspective of what that looks like. I like to run my trend lines concurrent with moving averages just so we can kind of get perspective on where we're at. But right now, it does look like we are probably more likely to increase and see higher highs and higher lows moving forward. So I like the daily time frame here on this coin. 4-hour time frame, we're getting rejected tentatively by the 100-day SMA. A few coins are doing the same exact thing here just because of how they dip down below these resistance levels. You can also see we had a previous support right here at about 4.07. However, that's a new support level. Okay, so again, if you can kind of see that, the level had difficulty 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times it tried to break below. Eventually it did. And it tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, pretty much 11 more times to get through that level. So this is a very, very good sign here. Being back up over that level is extremely important. So again, it's up a good 3% on the day here so far, or the last 4-hour candle. That's pretty significant. That tends to happen when levels like this get broken. Okay, so awesome stuff there. Also note that Bitcoin is kind of just hanging out, not really doing a whole heck of a lot, and this coin's moving up. That's a very good sign too. Okay. Furthermore, we take a look at some of these things here. We are above 50 on the RSI. Phenomenal. Love to see that. Money flow index is above the RSI. I also love to see that too. It's usually a bullish type of scenario. And of course, we got our stochastic RSI converging as well. MACD doing very good here, still in the up and up. So honestly, this coin looks like it wants to continue. There's no reason to bet against this coin here. I would say further upside is strongly, I wouldn't say strongly advised because that doesn't make any sense. It's advised not to short, I guess you could say. I've been saying that pretty much all week. Actually, a few weeks now, honestly. Most coins are just not really short worthy. But the truth here is that there's a lot more liquidity above the price action than there is below, and it would make a lot more sense for the price to continue higher than lower at this point. Keep in mind, you can still see lower liquidity sweeps here, of course, as potential realities, but at this point, I think we're looking pretty solid here. So this coin's looking very, very good. I think there's really no reason why it shouldn't continue. Let's double check the Ichimoku Cloud and confirm. This is one thing here we want to look at on the hourly, of course, and just note that we are in a position where the price action is looking very solid. Conversion line well above the baseline. Over here, of course, we have lagging span free and clear of the price action, and we're well above the cloud. This is an awesome, awesome situation here. I love to see this here. Casper's looking phenomenal. So that's a good confirmational sign there. Let's take a quick look at our CC Golden Indicator on the hourly. We can see we were hitting an overextended state, and then we had some buy signals back here, roughly at about 3.9. Okay, so congrats to our members. We got good, I think 40 or 50 community members using this this indicator, and essentially it gave us a good buy signal a long time ago, and telling us now that we're overextended, likely to get a sell signal here soon. So awesome stuff there. So all confirming factors here, if you will, letting us know that we're on the right side of tracks here and looking very good. So while there is potential for the price to pull back a little bit, getting closure above 4.07 today is super huge. That'll help us a lot. Not only confirming our daily closure above the 20-day SMA, but also confirming this recent support turned resistance likely going to be turning into a support level again. Okay, I hope I described that correctly. New thing too here, also keep this in mind, within the last month I've been promoting this exchange because they are phenomenal. No KYC, no VPN required. Be sure to utilize them. Our community members are loving them, and I just can see why, because it's just a really, really good exchange. My favorite personally. They give you significant rewards if you utilize them, and of course just make sure that you click on claim rewards once you've transferred and deposited funds, because it's not automatic, right? You want to make sure to take advantage of that. So if you have questions that, feel free to reach out. But generally speaking, awesome exchange, phenomenal. Highly recommend utilizing them. Again, no KYC, no VPN. I have walkthroughs on our Bitunix section in our Discord in case you're curious on how to set multiple profit targets. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Really greatly appreciate you watching here again. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next one.